Hey all, Will Healy here, and I just read an absolutely humbling piece of research from March 2021 from the AAU, and it's titled Factory Flaw, the Attrition and Retention of Women in Manufacturing. And I'll share just a few facts for you on this Workforce Wednesday and encourage you to take the time to sit and really digest this article and better understand the concerns of our female colleagues and how we can improve our interactions with them. The first stat I saw was, while women make up 28.3% of the manufacturing workforce, the ranking is less than 20% in subsectors like machinery and fabricated metals, petroleum, mineral products, wood products, and primary metals. The women's average hourly wage is 80% of what men make in manufacturing. It has grown from 2003 from 75% to 80% in 2019, but it's still much below what men are making in manufacturing. Third, women in manufacturing are more likely to leave the industry than men. And so a lot of the paper talks about why are women leaving manufacturing. And I'm not going to go through all of the topics, but I do want to focus on three of them. And the first one was just shocking to me. The first reason that women are leaving manufacturing is sexual harassment. And there's a lot of data here in the article, but I was disappointed by what the survey found. 82.7% of women in manufacturing reported, "I have been subjected to unwanted touching, kissing, or other physical advances." This has to stop. This cannot happen. We men must create supportive and safe places to work with strong protections and reduce the power imbalance in the workplace. It is not the responsibility of the individual women to change this clearly structural problem. It's up to us and those in leadership to fix that. The second reason women are leaving is unequal treatment. Again and again, women reported that men who are supervisors judge them more harshly than the men on their teams and overlooked the women's contributions. Another quote is, "They give us easier jobs because they silently believe we aren't capable of doing as much as men." It's humiliating. I mean, if we want to retain women in manufacturing, we want to attract women in manufacturing, we must assign women valuable and rewarding tasks. And other research has shared that with us. We have to pay fairly, and we have to promote them equally to men. Third, poor family leave policies. I know production demands are important and production demands are high, but with so many boomers retiring, our workforce will have two demands on it: taking care of our parents if they get sick and caring for our young families. So current policies are pretty harsh, unsupportive of real life demands, and they create disengaged workers. If manufacturers want to retain women workers, and I'd argue men too, manufacturers will need to improve the paid family leave policies to support care not only through childbirth and those early months of child raising, but also for caring for sick family of any age as the boomers age and retire. So if you're a boomer, I would suggest do this for yourself before you retire so your grown kids can take care of you if you need it someday. So there are many great actionable ways to act on these topics in the article. I can't possibly cover them all. I just really recommend and encourage you to check the comments for the link and take a deeper dive into this paper. I have two brilliant and determined daughters, and I want a workplace where they can achieve something equal to or exceeding their colleagues. The future happens by us making changes today. So how is your company working towards an equal future for them? I'd really like to know in the comments. So until next time, ask yourself, what will I automate next?